Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to my lovely student. How are you all? I hope you are all well at home. So welcome back to my mathematics class 2. So students, today I am going to start your new lesson, which is your chapter number 12, give and take part 1. Okay, so first I am going to explain you some in a textbook, right? So let's see students what's given in your textbook regarding chapter 12. Chapter number 12, students, here it is give and take. Give and take means, students, suppose, see students, if I am having 1, 2 and 3 pens I am having, right? How many? I have 3 pens and my father gave him one more pen. 3 pens I have already and 1 pen given by my father. So now I want to find out total how many pens I have. So students, 3 I have already, 1 I have. So I have to count all together, right? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total how many pens we get? 4. So that means students, in the 3 pens we have to also count this one. Means in the number 3 we have add 1 pen, right? Addition का symbol है ये plus, right? Addition को हम denote करते हैं plus sign से, right? So in the number 3 given by my father 1 pen added, give means in this lesson we are going to learn about the addition, right? And suppose students I have 4 pencil as we count now. Okay, हमने अभी count किया ना, मेरे पास 4 pens है. Now from the 4 pens 2 pens taken away. Total कितने pens थी? 4. From the 4 2 pens take away from me. So after taken how many still I have? So here 1 and 2. Total pens कितनी थी? 4. उसमें से 2 pens take away, वहाँ से ले लिया. So how many remaining? So we are still having 2, right? So student, that means in this lesson 4 में से हमने 2 को minus किया, cut किया, subtract किया, right? So that means students, in this lesson also we are going to learn about subtraction. So take means we are going to learn about addition. Take means we are going to learn about subtraction, and give means we are going to learn about addition. Okay, so let's see now in the textbook. Here Kinnari sells beads in the bazaar. She is selling the beads. Have you know beads, right? She sells loose beads and the necklace, and in necklace there is a 10 beads were there. Remember students, in one necklace 10 beads were there, and she is selling in the necklace and the loose bead according to the person wants. So first of all, Razia wants 12 beads. How many beads Razia want? 12. So Kinnari first she gave one necklace. So students, as I told you, in one necklace how many beads? 10. So 10 beads she given one necklace, mean 10 beads given. Still she has to give 12. So 10 given, still how many she has to give? उसको 10 दे दिए, 12 इसको टोटल देने हैं, उसमें से 10 उसने दे दिए. अभी और कितने उसको देने बाकी है? 2 beads. तो वो 2 beads सब नेकलेस नहीं दे सकती ना. Why? Because in the necklace 10 beads. We have to give only 2 more. So for that she gave 2 as a loose beads. Yes or no? So here it is given. See that Razia wants 12 beads. So one necklace of 10 beads, and that remaining 2 beads she gave it as a loose beads. Right? Now we have to help Kinnari for this remaining students, that how many necklace and how many loose beads she has to give for this kind of numbers. Right? First of all, Rima wants 17 beads. How many beads students? 17. So students, first we will expand the number 17, or we divide it in a 10-10 form, like a 10 plus 7. So students, 17 we can write like this, 10 plus 7. Right? So that means we have to give one first 10 beads. So for 10 beads we can use one necklace. So here students, we have to draw one necklace. In necklace we have to draw how many beads? 10 beads. So see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So total 10 beads. Now still how many remaining? 7. So students, we can't give one necklace. Why? Because in necklace we have 10 beads and 7 is less than 10, right? So for that, this 7 beads we will give it as a loose beads, right? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Rima has to take on one necklace of 10 beads and 7 as a loose bead. Everyone understood? So everyone draw this necklace. In it you have to draw 10 beads like this, and this remaining 7 beads you have to draw in a loose bead. So everyone draw it. So here students, now next Arif wants 24 beads. How many beads he wants? 24. So first students, we will divide this 24 into 10, 10 first, right? That means 10 plus 10, 20. So 10 plus 10, 20 and plus 4. So 24 can we write like this? 10 plus 10 plus 4. Means students, one necklace of 10 beads, one more necklace of 10 beads. Means we have to draw two necklace of 10 beads. So here also students, we have to draw 1 and 2 necklace. In it we have to draw how many beads? 10 beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 10. Likewise here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 10. So 10 plus 10, 20 beads we covered. Now still remaining 4 beads. For 4 beads we can't draw a necklace. So that 4 beads we have to draw as a loose beads. So 1, 2, 3 and the 4. Understood? The next one 35. Sonu wants how many beads? 35. So students, first of all we will divide this 35 in the 10, 10 form. So 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30 and after 30 still how many remaining? 5. So that means students, we require one necklace of 10, two necklace of 10s and the 3 necklace, means 1, 2 and 3 necklace we require. So here we have to draw 1, 2 and 3 necklace of a 10 beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 10. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 10. So 10, 10, 3 necklace and still we are having 5 beads. So that 5 we have to write down, draw in the loose beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. Then next Simar wants 31. So that means 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30 and still 1. So plus 1. So that means students, we want 1, 2 and 3 necklace of a 10, 10 beads and this one as a loose bead. So here we have to draw 10 beads in each necklace, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 10. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 10. And this one beads you have to draw in a loose item. So everyone draw this one. सबको ये draw करना है, necklace and loose beads also. So draw it nicely, everyone. Now so the next is how many beads are taken by Razia and Rima together. Students, here the word together means साथ में, दोनों को मिला के रजिया और रीमा के. तो students, रजिया wants how many? 12 और रीमा को कितने चाहिए? 17. तो दोनों को मिला के टोटल कितने होंगे? So 10 10 के ऐसे 2 necklace यानी 10 plus 10 how many? 20. एंड अब लूज बीड्स कितने हैं वो भी हम काउंट कर ले साथ में, ऑल टुगेदर, राइट? सो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 20 and 9. So total 29. कितने होंगे स्टूडेंट्स? 29. You don't have to write down the answer. Here 12 plus 7, 12 that Nazia wants, and 17 that is Rima wants. First students, this one called ones place of the number tens. So whenever you are doing addition or subtraction, always start from the ones place. So 2 plus 7, 9, and 1 plus 1, 2. That answer given on the next page over here. Clear everyone? Understood? Okay, now students, so the next year practice time question is that how many beats are taken by Nazia and the Sonu? So here students, Nazia taken 12 beats while Sonu taken 35 beats, right? So students, we have to find out total, means we have to add this number. So first of all, I am showing you this place is ones place and the tens place, right? So students, as I told you, whether it is you are doing addition or the subtraction, you have to always start from the ones place, right? Where you have to do addition of ones place first, then the tens place. So 2 plus 5. So students, if you are doing 2 plus 5, what will get answer? We get answer 7, right? And now we are doing addition of this tens place. So 1 plus 3. So if you are doing 1 plus 3, what will get answer students? We get answer 4. So total 47 beats. So students, here also you have to write down it in the blank 47. So 47 beats are taken by Nazia and the Sonu, right? So everyone write down this answer in your textbook, page number 92. Okay, now students, next is one extra necklace. Now, beads taken by Rima and the Arif. Now, we have to find out that Rima and Arif, if they are taking all together. So, Rima took students 17 beads, while the Arif taken 24. Now, we have to find out the all together how many they have taken, right? So, first of all, here the ones place and the tens place. We have to do the addition. So, addition students, we start from the ones place. Means we have to add first 7 plus 4. Now, students, remember, in the number 7, if you are adding something, another number. So, for this second number, you have to draw lines. 1, 2, 3 and the 4. Then, if you want to add in the 7, 4, so after 7, you have to count till you are completing these sticks, right? So that you will get the answer of 7 plus 4. So, after 7 students, if you will count, so 8, 9, 10, 11. So, what we get answer students? We get answer 11. So, students, if you are adding 7 plus 4, we get answer 11. Remember students, 11 having 2 digits number. So, we can't write 2 digit answer over here, right? At a ones place or any place in answer column, we can only write 1 digit number. So, here 11 is 2 digit number. Now, what to do students? तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? So students, for that, remember this 11 is also having their place ones and a tens place. So this ones place 1, you have to write down at a ones place in this answer column over here, right? And this tens place 1, you have to put at the tens place above the number 1 over here like this. Can you see? अब ये जो वो टेंस प्लेस वाला 1 था ना, वो 1 के ऊपर टेंस प्लेस पे यहाँ पे लिखना है. You can put a circle over it on the number 1. This one is called as a carry over. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम स्टूडेंट्स? Carry over. And while we are adding this tens place number, with that also we have to add this carry over. ये कैरी ओवर हमें ये नंबर जब टेंस प्लेस के ऐड करें ना, उसके साथ ये कैरी ओवर भी हमें ऐड करना है, ठीक है? सो लेट्स एड इट फर्स्ट दिस कैरी ओवर विद दिस नंबर मीन्स 1 plus 1 which is 2 and 2 plus 2 which is we get answer 4. So if you are finding that total how many in Rima and Arif have, so total 41. Everyone understood? So student, this answer you don't have to write down it because this process already given over here. See, 17 plus 24. First they add 7 plus 4. So this carry over they put it, and the answer of that number also mentioned over here. See, 1, then 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4. So all the answer mentioned in your textbook. This is first time of your carryover concept is there, so that's why I have explained you and solving it. Okay, so I hope everyone understood it. Now students, on the page number 95, now add by writing and also without writing. Okay, so how many beats do they have together? Means we have to together, if you want to find out it, means we have to do the addition. Right? First we have to find out that how many Rima and Sonu have together beats. Right? So first of all I am mentioning the place here, ones place and the tens place. We start addition from the ones place. Remember students, whenever you are doing addition or the subtraction, you have to always start from the ones place. Right? So first I am adding in the number 7, we have to add 5. So for 5 students, I am drawing 5 stick, right? So if you want to add in the number 7, 5. So after 7, you have to count till you are covered this all 5 sticks, right? So after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what we get answer students? We get answer 12. Now students, 12 is having 2 digits number. So directly we can't write 2 digits. So for that, this ones place 2, you have to put at a ones place in the answer column over here. And this tens place 1, you have to put at the tens place over here as a carry over. This is called your carry over. Yes or no everyone? Is it clear? Now students, this carryover also you have to add with this number. So this 1 plus 1, 2 and 2 plus 3 which is 5. So what we get answer? We get answer 52 bits. So here also you have to write down it. You have to put this carryover also, and 52 bits here also you have to write down the answer. So everyone write down this answer. Now students, next term is that now we have to find out Arif and Razia have how many together, right? So Arif has 24 bits while Razia has 12 bits, right? So this one place we have to consider ones and tens. So first we start addition from the ones place, means in the number 4 we have to add 2. So after 4 we have to count 2. So after 4, 5, 6. So how many? 6. So 4 plus 2 we get answer 6. Right? Then we have to add this tens place number 2 plus 1. So in the number 2, if we are adding 1, so total how many? So 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. So total 36 bits. So write down this answer also, and 36 bits in the blank also. Next is now Sonu. Now students, here how many more beats? Means students, here we can see that Sonu wants 35 while the Arif wants 24. So here you can see that Sonu have more beats compared to the Arif, right? But we have to find out how many more, means Sonu के पास कितने ज़्यादा है compared to Arif. Means we have to find out the difference between them. So whenever we want to find out the difference, we have to do the subtraction, right? So before I am mentioning the places first. So remember students, whether it is addition or the subtraction, you have to always start from the ones place only, right? So first 5 minus 4. So in the number 5 we have to subtract how many? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many remaining students? Only 1. So here we have to write down answer 1. Then now we have to do the subtraction of this tens place number 3 minus 2. From the number 3, how many we have to subtract? 2. So 1, 2. So how many remaining students? Only 1. So here we have to write down answer 1. So what we get answer students? 11. Means Sonu has 11 more beats than Arif. So here also you have to write down 11 and answer also. Everyone understood? Now student, next here we have to find out the difference between, means Arif has how many more than the Razia. So here the ones place and the tens place. So start from the ones place 4 minus 2. So from the 4, how many we have to subtract? 2. So here 1, 2 I have subtract. So how many is still remaining? 1 and a 2. So students, if we are doing 4 minus 2, so we get answer 2, right? Then now students, we have to do the subtraction of this tens place. Means from the 2, we have to subtract 1. So from the 2, how many we have to subtract? 1. So here I have cut 1. So still how many remaining? 1. So that means if we are doing 24 minus 12, so we get answer 12. Means Arif has 12 more beads than Razia. So everyone write down this answer in your textbook. Page number 96. Now here students, how many more beads does Simar have than Rima? So students, Simar have total 31 beads while the Rima have 17 beads, right? So students, we have to find out again how many more Simar have than Rima. Means again we have to find out the difference. So that means we have to do the subtraction. So that's ones place and the tens place. So subtraction start from the ones place. From the 1 we have to subtract 7. So students, is it possible from the 1 we can subtract 7? क्या हम number 1 में से 7 को subtract कर सकते हैं? No. Why? Because 1 is the smaller number than the 7. Right? 1 is the smaller number. Now what to do? तो अब हम क्या करेंगे students? So students, for example, if you are in the school, right? आप लोग भी जब स्कूल आते हो and if you are not having any pencils, आपके पास pencils नहीं है लिखने के लिए, so what you are doing? तो आप लोग क्या करते हो? You are asking to your neighbor friend, आप अपने friends को पूछते हो ना, that can you have extra pencil? Can you give me or can you share with me? Right? So वैसे ही अब 1 के पास enough नहीं है to give the 7s, right? So he is also asking to the neighbor number 3. वो neighbor number 3 के पास जा रहा है. So means 3 cut. 3 में से 1 उसने उसको दे दिया. So 3 have now 2. From the 3, 1 given to the 1. So now 3 becomes 2. And this 1 taken 1 means 1 here. So means 1 becomes now 11. याद रहे students? This is called borrowing concept. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Borrowing. Right? जो neighbor numbers के पास जा रहे हैं ना, this is called borrowing. Okay? So whenever you are doing borrowing, here from this number you have to do -1. Right? And here whatever number उसके आगे आपको 1 लगा देना है. So 1 becomes 11 and this 3 becomes 2. Now from the 11 you have to subtract 7. 7 में से 11 subtract करना है. So after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many remaining? 4. So 11 minus 7 we get answer 4. Then 2 minus 1. So from 2, now students remember, don't subtract from 3 to 1. 3 में से अब subtract नहीं करना है because borrowing we already did. So from 2 we have to subtract 1. So 2 में से 1 minus किया. How many remaining? 1. Right? So difference between Simar and Rima, how many more beads Simar has? 14 more beads Simar has than Rima. So students, this answer if you don't want to write down it, it's okay. Why? Because this answer is already given over here. See, step by step. First they did the borrowing concept by cutting 3. 3 becomes 2. This 1 becomes 11. Then from the 11 they subtract 7. So answer get 4. Then from 2 he subtract 1, so they get answer 1. Clear everyone? So this all the subtraction step by step given in your textbook. So if you don't want to write down it, it's okay. Clear? Everyone understood? Now students, on the next page here, now practice time, also do it in your mind. So Tanisha has 17 pencil. How many Tanisha has? 17. And Sia has 25 pencil. अब सिया के पास कितनी pencils है? 25. Now, how many pencils are there in all? Here the word students in all means all together. दोनों के पास total मिला के कितनी pencils है? Means we have to do the addition. So क्या करेंगे हम? Addition. So first of all हम penciling the places students, ones and tens. So this first we will do the addition of this ones place. Means 7 plus 5. In the number 7, if you are adding 5, so after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what we get answer, students? We get answer 12. Now students, 10 we can't directly write over here as I told you before, right? So what to do? Now this ones place 2 you have to write down over here at a ones place in this answer column, and this tens place 1 you have to put at a tens place above this number over here as a carry over, right? And this carryover also you have to add with these numbers. So 1 plus 1 2 and 2 plus 2 4. So total how many pencils? 42. Now students, you have to also, this question is like a number story. ये question number stories type है ना, तो solve करने के बाद last में statement भी लिखना है, right? The question was that how many pencils are there in all? So there are 42 pencils in all. So everyone write down this answer. There are 42, underline the number 42 pencils in all. And so you have to write down this last statement that there are 42 pencils in all. At the end of this number story, you have to write down this statement. In the book only you have to write down it. Okay? Okay, now students, remaining the practice time sums number story I will inshallah explain you in my next video. Okay, so I hope whatever I am explaining this video you all understood. Still you are having any query, you can ask me in the comments. Take care of yourself and complete your all the CW work. Okay, Allah Hafiz students, keep your books complete, huh?